Another perfect summer day to enjoy our freedom and go flying. Today's flight will take us out of the Central Valley, heading east over Gold Rush country and into the Sierra Nevada mountain range. John Muir called this granite dome Wamelo, also known by the Mono Indians as the greeting place. It's now commonly known as Fresno Dome, and it stands stately in the eastern mountains of Madera County. Travelers looking for the High Sierra experience need not look any further than here in the heart of California. Not far from our current location, we see the High Sierra peaks and ridges surrounding an area called the Sierra Vista Scenic Byway. The Sierra Vista Scenic Byway is over a 100-mile stretch of mountain highways deep in the beautiful Sierra Nevadas. The Scenic Byway also consists of a multitude of narrow, lesser traveled mountain roadways branching off in all directions. Mammoth Pool Reservoir, Huntington Lake, and Shaver Lake provide visitors mountain lake destinations in addition to the areas along the winding San Joaquin River. Covered with pines, forests, peaks, river valleys, and granite domes, the Sierra Vista Scenic Byway provides travelers endless camping, hiking, backpacking, and exploring opportunities. Heading back to our home airport in the Central Valley, we cross back over golden, dry foothills that lay between the High Sierra Mountains and fertile Central Valley. And just like that, not long after takeoff, we find ourselves back on the ground at our home airport. I hope you enjoyed this general aviation travel experience. Consider subscribing to the channel and/or giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you for riding along.